Hi Libra, this is your general tarot reading from now until June 2021. I'm doing a 6-month reading. This is general and collective, so please take what resonates, leave what doesn't. If you feel like this reading does not resonate with you, please don't force it to resonate. It's probably not your message at this time, okay? So we'll start with one theme. This is one thing that you will see coming up again and again for you over the next 6 months, or it will be there continuously throughout the next 6 months. After that, I will do one card from the Yogic Path deck, something that you actively want to work on over the next 6 months. Then I'll do oracle messages and do clarifiers with the tarot. So we'll look at what is going to be your energy for the next 6 months, what blessings may come your way over the next 6 months, and what you might struggle with, and then one potential outcome. And then I'll do one blessing from the gods and goddesses deck. Okay, so let's get started. One message, one main theme for Libra from now until June 2021. Okay, that was quick. So Libra, 3 words that I got for you as I was meditating on your pile: peace, openness, and what's the third word? Harmony. Okay, these were 3 words that I got for you. See how it applies to you. All right. So you've got your theme is subconscious. Okay, so Libra, I think over the next 6 months, we're going to be deep diving in terms of what aspects of your subconscious personality or your subconscious state of being have you not yet discovered. Okay, so depths, probably you're also going to be dealing with depths about your own personality over the next 6 months, I feel, Libra. Also certain things might come up for you and you may feel like about yourself or from you, certain things might come up even if it's about other things. Some things might come up which you may feel like you never knew that this existed, like for example a certain way of feeling or a certain way of thinking or a certain way of a certain desire. Okay, so all these might be coming up from your subconscious, so pay attention also to your dreams, Libra. Journal them if you feel the need to. Okay, this is a nice, I'm getting a nice energy from this, so nothing heavy. Subconscious sometimes can get heavy, but I don't feel like it might be anything heavy for you. I think you're just going to be discovering deeper layers of your own personality over the next 6 months. All right, nice theme, Libra. Let's look at one thing you want to actively work on over the next 6 months. Pith. Okay, pith is a property in yoga that some people might have in their body. So we have pith, we have kaph, we have tamas, and another one. So pith over here means fiery dosh, powerful, strong-willed and feisty. Fire and water are the 2 most powerful elements that can create and destroy anything. Together they create pith, which is empowering you today. You are in a determined place in your life. You know what you want, and a fire has been set under your seat to achieve it. You are setting goals for yourself and focused on the task at hand. Perhaps this is a time to emerge as a leader and teach others your strength and wisdom. You are transforming the world with your actions. Just don't lose connection with the water within you and remember to play. Beautiful. So you might want to work on balancing calmness and action, balancing intuition and aggression or impulsiveness. So essentially balancing the fire and the water element within you. Okay, so you might want to work on that. Pith can also cause acidity. Okay, because if the and so we have something within our body called the Jatharagni, okay, which is basically the fire or a fire-ish element which helps you to digest. All right, when that becomes imbalanced, it gives rise to acidity. So something that you might want to work on, Libra, is to keep a balance with your the fire and the water elements within yourself. Okay, so know where you need to drink water to calm yourself down. So drink enough water through the day. also know when certain foods or certain liquids or certain temperatures are not working well for you in terms of causing too much of heat within your body or causing too much of maybe sometimes anger or sometimes just feeling restless, etc., and all of that. So balance that out. You'll be guided to that as well from your subconscious. Okay, so instinctively you will know what is working for you, what's not working for you. All right. Nice opening cards. All right, let's look at what your energy is going to be over the next 6 months. Clean it up. So with the subconscious, this is beautiful that your energy is going to be about taking stock of things, about yourself, about your life, about things that you want in your life, things that you don't want in your life, and you're going to merrily just be cleaning it up. I get a very light energy, very light feeling about this. Sometimes clean it up can have a heavy energy attached to it also, but in your case I feel like it's going to be quite light. You're going to actually even enjoy doing stuff like that, just reviewing, taking stock, and then either strengthening certain things or letting go certain things. So I feel like with clean it up you will also, because it's your energy, I think you're also going to be wanting more harmony and peace and be more open. Okay, which are the 3 words that I got for you in your process of just making things smoother for yourself as well. Nice opening card, nice energy, Libra. Let's look at one blessing that you will have over the next 6 months. Blessed, how beautiful is this? You're going to be blessed in all aspects, Libra. This is so beautiful. You've got 21 and 22. Can you believe this? Card number 21, card number 22. So beautiful. So with blessed, I feel like everything that you want essentially is, you're going to have that. You're going to be blessed beyond even what you may have expected. Okay, something wonderful that is unearned and unexpected, grace that is an unforeseen gift from spirit. Libra, this is so beautiful for you. Harmony, openness, peace, everything is going to be, you're going to be blessed with all of that over the next 6 months. So nice. Okay, let's see one thing you might struggle with. Yin. Okay, water energy. So something you might struggle with. Now see, you've got 21, 22 and 2. So something you might struggle with, Libra, over the next 6 months is not knowing when to trust your creativity, when to trust your intuition, when to trust your artistic side, or when to trust your nurturing, or when to nurture yourself, etc. Or when to even be in a state of receptivity and flow. Okay, you might struggle a little bit with that, Libra, over the next 6 months. Okay, so essentially things to do with your feminine energy, you might struggle with that. Okay, on the other hand, you could also have some struggle with a female figure in your life, whoever, that can be whoever. Now you have to take it as it applies to you. So you could also have some little bit of struggle over there. If you do experience that, don't worry, because your energy is clean it up and your subconscious is guiding you as well. Look to your dreams, Libra. You have the energy of cleaning up stuff. So if there's anything that you're struggling with, or some things feel unclear to you, keep the energy of cleaning things up, making them more open, making them more transparent, keeping peace and harmony at the crux of it, and allow it to just get like dissipated. All right, so nothing really heavy. Let me do some clarifiers with the tarot. Very nice, very nice. I'm getting a very, very nice positive energy from this reading. All right, let's look at clean it up. Beautiful. 3 of Rods or 3 of Wands. Desires being met, manifestations. Okay, moving in the direction that you could also want to be traveling. Okay, moving in the direction of what You're going to be cleaning up, and like I said earlier, you're going to take stock of things that you want, and this is the Three of Wands is basically about your desires being met. So everything that whatever your wishes are, or whatever it is that you feel like you want to go after, or whatever it is that you feel like you want in your life, those wishes are being met. Okay. And in that process, you're patiently waiting for those things to happen as well. Okay, so that's your energy, where whatever it is that you clean up, whatever it is that you take stock of, and either realign and move forward with it, or close it and let it leave. Whatever it is that you clean up in your life, you're going to be quite clear that it is what you really want. Okay, so there's going to be no confusion over there, and I think your subconscious will help you a lot, Libra. Okay, just work on. Now you got twice you've got water element as something that you might one is pith that you want to work on, which is a combination of water and fire, and yin is something that you might struggle with. This is water energy, yin is water energy. Okay, so just take care of that, Libra. All right, maybe you want to travel to a place which has water or has a water body around it. That might also help to calm you, or balance out your pith. Okay, let's look at clarifier for blessed. Knight of Rods, beautiful, or Knight of Wands. Okay, so passion, inspiration, movement, forward movement, very joyful, like very enjoyable as well. Okay, so you're going to be blessed with that. Some of you could also be blessed with a younger fire sign coming into your life, or being more prominent in your life. Take it as it applies. But essentially, you are going to be, your blessings over the next 6 months are going to be very enjoyable. They're going to be very action driven also. So things that you want, you're going to have that blessing to make them happen as well. Okay, and some of it may even just happen unexpectedly for you over the next 6 months. All right. At the same time, you will also feel inspired, you will also feel passionate about maybe certain things in your life, or maybe certain projects in your life, or certain goals. If you have set any of those, you will be more driven towards that. You'll have that blessing as well. All right, very nice. Let me look at clarify for yin. Okay, see, now you got 3 times cups. Under your yin is the Queen of Cups. So like I said earlier, you could either be struggling with a female figure in your life, older female figure in your life, either that, or generally you could just be struggling with being in a more feminine energy, okay, being in a more receptive state, being in a more intuitive state, a calming state. That might happen for you, but don't worry, because you're blessed. A lot of stuff will happen unexpectedly in your life, probably over the next 6 months, and they're all going to be nice. Like good blessings are coming your way, Libra. You keep your focus on cleaning up. You keep your focus on taking stock, revisiting, reviewing, and realigning wherever you need to. Whatever it is that you want in your life, your subconscious will help you a lot in that. Okay, let's look at one potential outcome for you guys over the next 6 months. Message in a bottle. Outcome. Communication will become clearer, stronger, more open, more transparent, more peace-loving, more harmonious. Again, you got water. You might travel overseas, or you might move to a place, like travel to a place multiple times. A place which has water around it, Okay, nice outcome as well. So communication getting clearer, communication getting more and more transparent, you being on you understanding at a deeper level also with subconscious, you understanding at a deeper level also the communication you are receiving from people and the communication that you are doing towards people. Okay, so that outcome, great outcome to have, Libra. Let me do a clarifier. The Chariot, beautiful. This card for Cancer actually. But forward movement, Libra, overcoming obstacles. Maybe at times if you feel pulled in two different directions, which is also why I feel like you may want to clean up your energy, or clean up, you are in an energy of cleaning up stuff in your life. In that process, you might also feel like, you might be getting pulled in two different directions. Look, now, even for what you want to work on actively, it's two different things, two different elements, fire and water. Okay, so you might get pulled, you might feel like you're getting pulled in two different directions. In that process, you might struggle a little bit with the feminine aspect of your fire is masculine, water is feminine. Okay, so you might struggle with that a little bit, Libra, but your outcome is great because you're going to be moving forward. If there are any obstacles that you face, especially in regards to communication, like I said earlier, you're going to feel a deeper sense of understanding, communication from people, as well as you will also communicate with people with a more deeper meaning, with a more open and transparent, in a more open and transparent way as well. Any obstacles that you may encounter over there, you will overcome those. Okay, so there's only forward movement happening for you, Libra. I feel like some of you could really be traveling. Beautiful. Let me get one blessing from the Gods and Goddesses deck for you guys. Blessing, Narad Muni, sage of the gods. His blessing is musical ability, knowledge of Vedic literature, mastery of bhakti or devotional yoga, attachment to the singing of God's name. So very creative blessing from Narad Muni. More so, I feel like in helping you to balance and stabilize the feminine aspect of your life, or the feminine aspect of your personality, or maybe even the relationships that you have or equations that you have with the women in your life. Okay, balancing that out, stabilizing that out. I think that blessing, overall your theme is more inclined towards a feministic side, more to do with your feminine energy or the feminine gender. Okay, and your blessings in that are great. All right, Libra, so nothing for you to, like I said, it's a really, really light reading. I'm so happy. Great outcome, great blessings also for you. Even your energy is really nice and clear. Okay, so just some things that you might struggle with, keep going back to your subconscious. This will help you. Journal it so that you can remember, like check back on it later if you need to help you to move forward, and great outcome as well for you. All right, Libra, so I hope that this helped you guys, and you guys have a great rest of January, and I will see you again next month.